Hey there, food lovers. Today, let's chat about some easy-peasy tips for healthy eating that will keep you feeling great. First off, let's talk about fruits and veggies. They're like nature's multivitamins, packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to thrive. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and veggies at each meal. Next up, whole grains. Think brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. These goodies are loaded with fiber and nutrients, helping to keep your tummy happy and your energy levels up. So there you have it, folks. Some simple tips for nourishing your body and feeling your best. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to follow us for more tasty tidbits and healthy hacks. Let's eat well and thrive together.